Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to convert a virtual machine running on VMware ESXi to Proxmox VE 8.3. This is my Windows Server 2025, currently running on ESXi 8.0. I will convert this VM into a Proxmox compatible format to run it on Proxmox VE 8.3. Before we begin, please note that this method is supported from Proxmox VE 8.3 onwards. If you are using an older version of Proxmox, you need to update it before starting. Now, let's take a look at today's lab setup. My Windows Server 2025 is running on an ESXi local datastore. We need to add the ESXi datastore to Proxmox VE before starting. Ensure that the Proxmox VE host and the ESXi host can communicate without any issues. To verify this, I am checking the connectivity status between both hosts. Now, let's add the ESXi datastore to Proxmox. First, go to the Proxmox web interface, select Data Center. Navigate to Storage. Click on Add, and select ESXi. Then, insert a name in the ID field for identification. In this lab, I will use ESXi1 as the ID. Next, enter the IP address of the ESXi host in the server field, followed by the ESXi root username and password. Finally, check the Skip Certificate Verification box and click Add. Now, you will see ESXi1 added to the storage list. Click on ESXi1 on the left panel, and under the Virtual Guest tab. You will see two VMX files. One for Windows Server 2025 and another for Ubuntu. These VMX files correspond to the two VMs running on the ESXi host, and both VMs appear in Proxmox. Today, I will convert the Windows Server 2025 VM. First, I will power off the Windows Server 2025 in ESXi. Then, in the Proxmox web interface, I will select the VMX file related to Windows Server 2025 and click on Import. In the General tab, you can change the VM ID if required, but I will keep the default value of 100. All other configurations will remain the same as they were in ESXi, but if needed, you can modify them. In the Advanced tab, you have the option to change the disk and network settings if necessary. The resulting tab displays all the final configurations. In this lab, I will not make any changes. Please make sure to disable the Live Import option, and then proceed by clicking Import to start the conversion process. The time required for conversion depends on the size of the VM. Once the process is complete, close the window. Now, you can see the newly converted VM in the Proxmox inventory, listed with the VM ID you previously selected. The final step is to power on the newly converted Windows Server 2025 in Proxmox. After starting the server, make sure to uninstall VMware tools and install the Windows VirtIO drivers. If you don't know how to download and install Windows VirtIO drivers, check out the video linked in the card above for a detailed guide. You have successfully converted a VMware ESXi virtual machine to Proxmox VE 8.3. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.